Gusto niyo ba malaman kung paano magbukas ng BPI account? Ano nga ba ang requirements? Ano ang minimum age and ano ang minimum deposit? Here in this video, sasagutin natin mga tanong na to and other information that you need to know. By the way, nakuha ko yung mga info na to on their website over here and nag-inquire din ako directly sa bank. First things first, kailangan yung pumunta sa pinakamalapit na BPI branch sa inyo or yung pinaka-convenient for you. By the way, pwede din kayo mag-open ng BPI account online. Ipapakita ko yung step-by-step procedure on the next video, so don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell para ma-notify kayo when that video comes out. But before you go there, whether you enroll through the branch or BPI online, kailangan yung i-ready itong mga requirements na to. First is proof of billing. So ito ang document na magpapatunay na existing yung address nyo and dun kayo nakatira. Sample proof of billing could be credit card statement, water, electricity, internet bill, telco bill, or any kind of billing statement. Kung hindi nakapangalan sa inyo yung bill, okay lang kasi ang titignan nila is yung address. Ito kasi yung pagbabasihan nila to make sure na existing and totoo yung address na nilagay nyo. Number 2 is provide one valid ID. So, okay lang na isa lang. For Filipinos, example ng mga valid IDs is, number 1 is PhilID or National ID. If wala pa kayo nito guys, pwede kayong kumuha, mag-apply and register on this website over here. Aside from the National ID or PhilID, pwede din kayo mag-provide ng any government-issued ID such as PIN, PhilHealth, Pag-ibig, and other IDs provided by the government. Aside from that, pwede ding other identification documents such as driver's license, passport, or any legitimate ID. For Filipino students naman, pwede din kayo mag-open ng account. Again, pwede yung National ID or PhilID. Kung enrolled, yung school ID which is signed by the principal or the head of the educational institution. Or birth certificate that's issued by the Philippine Statistics Authority or PSA. By the way, ang minimum age na pwede magbukas ng account is 10 years old as long as you bring the requirements and of course, supervision ng adult. Usually, ang branch hindi na hinihingan ng requirements yung adult, but there are some branches kasi na humihingi pa din sila. So just bring one valid ID. That is all that you need to provide just in case hingan kayo. But mainly, ang requirements is only for the child na gagawa na account. For foreign nationals naman, ang acceptable IDs could be either PhilID for resident aliens, passport, alien certificate of registration issued by the Bureau of Immigration, and other identification documents that can be verified by other reliable sources. Third is yung initial deposit. So the minimum amount is 3,000 pesos. Pwede kayo mag-deposit ng any amount greater than that. By the way, in order for your account to earn interest, minimum of 5,000 pesos ang dapat laman ng account nyo. As of right now, 0.0625% ang annual interest ng BPI. Para hindi mag-close yung account nyo and ma-charge ng fees, kailangan yung i-meet yung required minimum monthly ADB or average daily balance which is 3,000 pesos. Pag bumaba sa 3,000 ang monthly ADB nyo, then ma-charge kayo ng 300 pesos per month. Aside from that, this is not necessary. Wala siya sa website. But just in case, magdala lang din kayo ng 1x1 ID picture because I think sa ibang branches, humihingi pa din sila. Then, once you have all your requirements, pumunta na kayo sa bangko and then fill up yung application form. Usually, hihingan dito yung personal details, sources of income. So, be prepared lang to fill up those information. Tapos, ayun, mabilis lang naman gumawa ng account dahil real time. Once you leave the bank, meron na kayong opened account as long as na-submit nyo lahat ng requirements. And then, ipaprocess nila yung ATM nyo. Usually, kapag Metro Manila, madideliver siya sa branch within 2 to 3 days. Pero pag provincial, 5 to 7 days. Okay, so yung ATM, ipipick up nyo sa branch, hindi siya i-deliver sa bahay nyo. Ganun din kapag nag-register kayo online. By the way, once you already have an account and gusto nyo mag-invest through BPI, pwede nyong tignan tong video na to. Yan, so as simple as that, pwede na kayong magbukas ng BPI account. To learn how to open an account through online, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell para makita nyo yung next video ko. I-discuss ko dun yung step-by-step process and other information that you need to know about opening an account online. Thank you guys, I hope you learned something. See you on the next video. Bye! Okay, thank you guys.